Taking care of your body isn't about looking perfect. It's about not giving up on yourself. When you take care of your body, your mind follows. You get more energy, you get more confidence, and more discipline in everyday life. Working out isn't just about physical, it teaches consistency. The gym isn't about ego, it's about the best investment you can make in yourself. 1 hour a day can literally change how you look, think, and move. Today's video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to lose weight and not let yourself go. So the first tip is to start simple. You do not need to go crazy. Start with 3 to 4 workouts a week. Consistency beats intensity. Tip 2, move every day. Even on rest days, walk, stretch, stay active. Movement keeps you from slipping back. Tip 3, train for health, not for looks. Chase strength, stigma, and feeling good. The results will come. Tip 4, food awareness. You do not need to starve. Just be mindful. Eat real, control portions, and stay hydrated. So overall, it is just eat less and move your body more. That is it. And start lifting weights. Letting yourself go doesn't happen overnight. It happens when you stop showing up. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. So that's it on my tips on how to maintain your body, or actually, I don't even know what I'm calling this video, but I hope it's helpful, encouraging people to take care of their body. You only get one, and it's so easy to let yourself go. It's so easy, especially the older that you get, the harder it is to lose weight. So try your best not to gain weight. I know it's kind of hard to say that, especially with how life and if you're stressed and all the other factors, but just try your hardest. And when I was younger, I used to be heavier. I used to always think that I'm not supposed to be skinny. And it was because I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to lose weight. But the older I got, the more research, the more influencers that I was following, I learned how to lose weight. And the simple thing, like I said in the last clip, is eat less and work out more. So eat less, move your body more. That is the simple truth. If you're not losing weight and you've been working out for a long time, it's a slim chance that you're overeating. But I'm going to be working on a series on my channel. I know I'm all over the place. I don't niche down here, but I want to work on some other videos to help people. And especially knowing that summer is coming, we want to get our body right. Okay? So that is it on this video. I'm going to see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe.